Welcome everyone back to TNS Trains. We're going to do a third attempt on a video tonight. I do have my good helper with me, Lionel. She's sitting here on the right hand. We've had a lot of things going on the layout, well, around the layout I'll say. We've had a lot of work this week, but nothing on the layout that you would be able to see. I am going to show you one progress that we'd made at the end of the layout in a little bit later, but I've been working on the steps coming down and so on like that. Stuff associated with the layout, but not really on the layout. Tim has done several more trees on the middle peninsula there on the mountain, but other than that, we've not done a lot actually on the layout. And we'll do a train run here in a little bit. We got good response on the 81 loop cab ride we did before, so we're gonna do one on the 72 this time with a different engine. We're gonna do the Santa Fe SD70 in the black Bonnet paint scheme, and we'll have that on the last of the video. And I do have my helper. She's got a message for us. Can you give us that message, Lillian?
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Good deal. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. So we're going to go down. I'll show you some of the things that we've been doing on the last loop of the layout that we've worked on this week, and then we'll do the train run. Okay, wanted to show you what I've been working on this week. This peninsula, I guess you call it, we did as an afterthought. It is a 72 loop, and what we did is we had the incline over here that came back down on the 81, but we wanted to make a loop here that would allow it to come and reverse and go back up on the incline and around the upper loop. So we did this about a year and a half ago, I guess, and at that time the 072 Atlas curves were not available. All of our track on the main layout here is Atlas track, but if you recall, there was a period of time there that Atlas 072 curves especially were hard to come by. So Tim happened to be in Charlotte, which is not too awful far from Concord, and he stopped by the Lionel store there and picked us up a 72 loop of fast track along with a switch that we needed, and we did this out of fast track. What I did this week is I weathered the track, as you can see here, and then I did ballast around. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to make it look as close to the Atlas track over on the other part of the layout as I could, and I think I did a pretty good job. It looks to me really good, and that gives us pretty much the same look as the Atlas track. It's a little bit different, but it looks really good. In this part of the layout, we are going to, as we always say, that work in progress. It's going to be something later on down the road, but this is what we've been working on this week.